So basically, whoops, we're looking at y equals mx plus c, which is straight line graphs. And what I was saying is that all straight line graphs are written in this format. So y is equal to something multiplied by x plus something. If you actually were to draw an equation like, for example, y equals 2x plus 1, so it could be y equals any number times x plus any other number, then you're going to get a straight line graph. And in this case, when you were to work it out, let's do a load of different values for x, then we can work out what the value for y would be by just plugging them into this equation. When you plot those points, so these would be the coordinates of one point, that would be the coordinates of another point, and so on. It will do a straight line like this. And then when I redraw that, we can see that the m is the thing that's multiplied by x, and you can see up here. Okay, so the circle up here, that's showing that that's what m is. Okay, we haven't talked about what that is, but I'll briefly mention it in this video. It's the gradient. It means the slope of the line. So if it's a steep gradient, it has a high number here. So steep just means the slope, right? So how steep it is. So if it's really steep, it's got a high gradient. If it's really shallow, it's got a low gradient. Okay. And then the intercept c, which I've colored in green, is where it crosses the y-axis. All right. Now, there's quite a lot of work to be done with straight line graphs, so we're going to look at some of them in a moment. But one of the tools you can use for this is called Desmos. So I'm just going to search this up and show you now, and then I'm going to put it in the whiteboard. So graphing calculator is what you want, and I'm going to put that shortcut within the whiteboard there. When you click on that, you can open it up to the graphing calculator and have a little play. So, for example, we typed in our equation was y equals 2x plus 1. So we can type it into the Desmos calculator, y equals 2x plus 1, and it draws our graph for us. So I'm just going to stop the video there.